The XRP army is back. After breaking out of a weekly symmetrical triangle pattern, everyone seems to have flipped from a bears to a bulls. The big question is, can XRP shine during the bull rally of 2024 and 2025? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your friend Plan FOMO here. In today's video, I'll compare XRP's previous rally with the current one because honestly, I'm spotting some striking similarities. You're probably laughing at me right now, right? Thinking I'm crazy for serving up such an euphoric take on this technical analysis. But hey, you know me, I love diving into past cycles and seeing how they stack up against the present. When I find something interesting, you know me, I'm always sharing with you guys. Of course, we talked about this in yesterday's live stream, but I wanted to create a full video to reach a bigger audience. I'm genuinely curious. What are your thoughts on XRP right now? Let's aim for at least 100 likes on this video, and without further ado, let's dive straight into the charts. Before we begin, if you enjoy my content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and stick around until the end. I just might give some hope to all the Ripple investors out there. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Now let's talk about it. The XRP army is probably laughing at us because, like many of you, I was bearish on this project. How can you not be? With that lawsuit hanging over it, who wouldn't feel cautious, right? But the market sentiments has shifted dramatically. Why? Because we got the one and only Donald J. Trump, and his influence just might pump this bad boy's price even higher, but we'll see. So let's dive into a charts and let's try to compare the previous rally with a potential this one. We'll see what happens. No one knows the future, so again, this is not financial advice. So I'm just gonna try to remake this symmetrical triangle pattern that we kept our eyes on for, I don't know, like 3-4 years. I'm just gonna try to connect again all the highs and all the previous lows. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. Again, beautiful symmetrical triangle pattern. And if you remember my yesterday's live stream, we were talking about that there's something cooking out here. What I mean by that, let's just take a look in the previous rally. Let's just try to connect again. More dots, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have with all of those descending trends. After this clean breakout, of course, a retracement. Let's just imagine we created a gap or a demand zone. Don't mind at this crash, because if I remember correctly, let me just take this tool that was back in 2020, 2021 COVID crash. So I'm not gonna analyze this one because yeah, it is what it is. You remember, I remember it vividly that during that crash, yeah, the COVID, everything went down dramatically. So, and of course, every single asset, I mean, crypto asset recovered like also dramatically, movement to the upside. This is our previous highs, our all-time highs on XRP. And of course, according to the coin market cap, the all-time highs, it is around $3.84. So of course, in these charts on Bitstamp, it shows us 3.3, but all right, that's okay for us to start analyzing. Not that big of a deal. So still, let's imagine that these are all-time highs on XRP. And look, after this breakout to the upside, after this retracement, we filled this demand zone, the gap, and movement to the upside, all right? And I'm seeing the similar price movement that is happening right now. We created some kind of huge, massive, let's just say like a gap, or I'm just gonna try to navigate based on this demand zone. But still, if this is our swing high and this is our swing low, so from the swing low to a swing high, I'm just gonna try to navigate based on the simple Fibonacci levels. Just bear with me, I'm going to try to explain it to you. So every single time after a breakout, XRP experiencing a rally. Right now, let me just grab my tool, the brush, the magic brush. Okay, rejection, 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 again, rejection, boom, breakout. And of course, we cannot deny, first of all, we cannot deny that after seeing every single pump, of course, we are on the weekly time frame. I'm gonna analyze everything on the weekly time frame. I mean, what's related with XRP, Ripple. After every single pump, we see a massive dumps. Look, rally, dump, rally, dump, rally, dump. A small rally, bam, dump, rally, bam, dump, rally, dump, rally, dump, rally, dump, and we're experiencing, boom, a massive breakout. And I do believe that there's a probability right now to see a dump and to create a potential demand zone. So I'm waiting right now at these levels for the market to form something for me. I don't know, you can call it like a falling wedge pattern or just like a descending channel. Something, I want to see something going, the price, not something, but the price going to the downside and create a demand zone to fill some kind of gap. So between the golden zone and the discounted zone. So I'm aiming at those levels. Because why I'm trying to compare this rally with this one. I'm going to use this tool, bars pattern tool, to use it as an educational guess. So if I'm going to take this breakout, or let's just say, yeah, let's just going to start with this pump. I'm going to aim till our highs at around 1.8. Look how everything, let's just say, correlates. I mean, it looks similar after this breakout rally and after this breakout at this one right now at the current moment, I'm expecting a movement to the downside, and look how everything is connected. So right now there's a probability to retest this demand zone that I just trying to speculate. I mean, sorry for that. Let me just quickly delete all of my drawings one by one. All right, don't mind that. So I'm expecting to see a movement to the downside right now. And then after retest, don't mind of this crash because this is like a COVID crash. So I'm gonna narrow this. All right, so don't mind at this crash. So let's just imagine without this crash that there's a probability again to fill this gap, to create a demand zone, and then swing the price all the way to the upside. Because the whole market sentiments right now are bullish. All right, so this is the first thing. So what should we do about XRP? I mean, because a lot of people were asking me, and you have few choices. First, I'm just going to use this typing tool. So first of all, bad news for you. You had to be blah, blah, blah. All right. So you had to be at around here. Of course, we were bearish on XRP, but for those like investors who are believe in XRP, you shouldn't be at around here. I mean, your job is to buy at those lowest points and to sell the tops. Second of all, I wouldn't recommend you. So the second choice, where's my tool? This one again. Don't. I'm gonna just type don't. I wouldn't recommend you to buy at this peak. Why? Because we don't know. Because we have this fact, this theory that some of those altcoins will never reach their all-time highs. And we have to stick with this fact because, yeah, some of those altcoins will never reach their all-time highs. This is our all-time high. After this rally to the upside, of course, the lawsuit and everything, we peaked at around 1.9. The first bull rally, we peaked at around, all-time highs, 3.2, 3.4 dollars. So 1.9, we peaked at around 1.9. So maybe this is the final. I'm just gonna let you to be creative in the comment section. You can destroy me in the comment section and comment down below what is your opinion on XRP. Maybe I'm just talking nonsense, but this is my opinion. I'm gonna share with you. Maybe we are peaked at around $1.20, let's just say 3 cents. What if this is our peak and we're done? So if you're bullish on XRP, and you believe that XRP could reach and retest its all-time highs, you should invest only a small amount, only a small amount, only a small amount. I'm gonna repeat that. Just split your position in like 3 ways. Put a small amount of money in here if you're bullish. If you're bearish and you don't believe in XRP, this video is not for you. Just like simply, I don't know, just turn off your PC. I don't care. But you should put only a small amount of money in here because your loads, all the bags had to be filled at around these levels. All right, inside this squeezing, compressing, symmetrical triangle pattern. So that's the second one. This is the bad news. Don't be some kind of baboon and don't jump into a FOMO. So this is my advice for you. Wait until we're gonna retest this. Let's just say, I don't know where the gap is right now. I need to wait for the market to form something for me. So let's just wait for a retracement and then just start building your buy long position. Be professional, just wait for some kind of retracement. And if we are wrong, for example, if you you invested a small amount of money because you don't know if the XRP's peaked or we're gonna move even, the price is gonna go even higher. So if we're wrong about this retracement and we're never gonna see that pullback, so you're okay, you're invested what you're comfortable in losing, and that's pretty much it. If you lose, so you don't care, and if you're gonna see the prices going up, yeah, you're gonna make a few bucks. So that's pretty much it. But so this is like a number 3. Number 1, you shouldn't be at around here. You shouldn't be investing and loading your bags at around those levels, at around 40, 45, 50 cents. Right now, I can smell a FOMO because I had to do this video because I saw and I heard that a lot of people are turning themselves into this, I don't know, baboon phase. They're like in a FOMO phase, and this is an urgent video. So these are my 3 advices for you. Just like a one and only advice. So if you're gonna decide if you're bullish on XRP, just put only a small amount of your money and wait for the retracement. If we're wrong about this retracement, again, you're gonna make a few bucks. Or on the daily time frame, you can go on the daily time frame and find those, I don't know, maybe again a demand zone. But still, I was on the daily time frame and I cannot see anything on the daily time frame. Only I'm gonna analyze everything on the weekly time frame because we've been keeping our eyes on the weekly time frame on this symmetrical triangle pattern since I don't know, since forever. So I'm gonna stick with the weekly time frame, and yeah, I'm gonna stick to my plan. If we're gonna see some kind of retracement, I'm definitely gonna announce some news on my X, on my Twitter. So if we're gonna create some kind of demand zone, and I'm definitely gonna post that we create a demand zone. So these are the good levels to buy or to start building your buy long position. Because if we're gonna see a retracement and we're gonna create this demand zone, of course you cannot see anything right now because of my super talented drawing. All right, so if we're gonna create a demand zone and around here, we're still gonna be creating a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We broke the whole structure. We broke through the previous highs. Right now, yeah, we broke from the previous highs. Of course, we were facing, based on the weekly time frame and based on that traditional technical analysis, supply, demand, we're facing right now a massive supply zone based on the previous rally during the COVID crash, after the COVID crash being more accurate. So you have 3 choices. Only to invest a small amount of money, number 1. Number 2, you have to learn from this mistake because you shouldn't be invested right here at those lows. Number 3, you have to wait for some kind of pullback to start jumping into a buy long position, or to, I don't know, buy to invest a little bit more money than you invested here. So like $5-10 or like $100. Well, it depends what does it mean for you to put a small amount of money. What is the small amount of money is to you? So, and number 4, if you're bearish and you don't care about XRP, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. I thought I need to share this with you guys. And of course, you can destroy me in the comment section. You can destroy me. Oh my god, what the hell are you talking about? XRP is dead, XRP is dead, and this and this and that. Well, I'm just trying to compare the previous rally with this one. After all, we cannot deny that we're experiencing this massive movement to the upside. This clean breakout. Look at this candle. Everyone switches from the being bears. Right now, they're bullish on XRP. So this is our data. We have to analyze the data, what is going on in the market. And the data is showing us that XRP finally experiencing a breakout. And we kept our eyes on this symmetrical triangle pattern. Of course, it's like some kind of retail trader type of thing, the simple symmetrical triangle. But yeah, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. This descending trend line represents a descending resistance, and we broke that descending resistance. What else do you want from me? So we're experiencing a massive movement to the upside. So yeah, again, you shouldn't be invested here. If you regret not doing that, you should invest right now. Only a small amount of money if you believe in the XRP. If you only want to speculate and make more money, so the better to have a nice risk reward ratio is to wait for some kind of pullback. So this is my main advice to you. Take it or leave it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you in the next one.